back. Good to see you all. Hope everybody's all excited. Today is a Wednesday. We are, let's say, 26. We got 1, 2, 3 more days of trading days. Technically, it's really 4, but Halloween's going to be difficult being on a Monday, last day to pay period. A lot of good action. I know you guys did really, really well in pre-market. We had a couple of nice little runners this morning. I haven't seen that in a while. I mean, getting a couple of nice little pops in certain stocks. So we'll cover them. In the meantime, everyone, hopefully everybody is all good to see you too, Henry. Good to see you, Lita, Brian, everybody. And I know we have a lot of new members that also joined us here in Cyber Group. Hopefully everybody's enjoying it. Make sure that you speak to education advisors. Hopefully having a good experience in the trading room. Listen, you see what's happening in the market. You got to learn before you can earn it. And we're getting close to an election. It's less than 2 weeks away. So definitely a lot of stuff that's going on, and looking forward to it. Anyway, let's do some shopping and let's go see what's going on regarding about the market. First of all, I want to start off what happened yesterday. A couple of nice little stocks that made some nice moves. We'll load this up to 2 days here so you guys can see what we got going on. We had this stock yesterday, TSHA. Stock had a really nice move. What was really even nicer about it was what happened in the afternoon. You could see how the thing ran from 240 all the way up to the last minute of the close. Beautiful, to $3. You could have got out, had a nice little shake right there. Beautiful stock, cheap, inexpensive, great iceberg orders, everything that we're looking for. Snapchat also, after the stock took a major hit a couple of days ago, not only was it a good day trade, it was a great swing trade. So you should have been able to see that 2 days ago. Inexpensive stock. You just had to hold on to it. You could see it wasn't the biggest move yesterday. It had a really nice move early in the morning, but you could see right here it went from right around here from $8.25 to about 11 o'clock, so at $9. Nice move, but this thing definitely took a big hit. You could see it right here, how the stock was at 740. So once again, you want to be a good day trader? I'm sorry, I dyslexic. You want to be a good swing trader? You want to be a good investor? You damn well better know how to swing trade, day trade first, because that's how you find these good swing trades and everything else. Just a couple of more stocks. Mara was also a really nice mover yesterday. This stock has been on a great tear. Another great day trading stock. Went from, you could see it's been from 10. It's at major resistance levels though now at 15, but what a nice little move. $2.50 to $5, nice $2.50 move. And then where did this thing come from? Bed Bath & Beyond had a great run from nowhere, from 440 all the way to 540. One of those little meme stocks. You can see remember what happened in August? And then the CFO killed himself. I mean, obviously some manipulation going on over there. But as of yesterday, it did move pretty nicely. So it actually was a great Tuesday. Loved it Tuesday. One of the better days that we had in a couple of days. We weren't having too much action, but there was, we had a couple of good stocks. It's just that we had a lot more consistency of missing one stock, you had another one. All right, now let's go talk about what's moving on for today and what's happening. So we got a couple of stocks here that are making some big moves, and I want to keep an eye on it. We have this nice little cheap little stock right here, RNAZ. Now, RNAZ, let me just bring up level 4 here and just see what's going on here really quick. RNAZ. Just want to get some data here. So you can see how the stock really didn't move too much right now. It's just basically kind of holding here. And, for a few reasons. First of all, there were a couple of iceberg orders out there, which you could see right here. And there's some people kind of supporting it. There was a little bit here right around about $1.60. Not a lot, not like that really predominant ones that we're looking at, but you could see right here at 108, major guy right here for 57,000 smackaroos of shares. Not the super of them all, but it's pretty decent. Another little cheap stock also we have here is GOVX. Nice little cheap little stock, nice little support and resistance levels. Stock you could see here back in July went from like 50 cents to $4.50. We did trade the stock before. We also traded back in May. If you are a Cyber Group member, go back to your journals and see how you traded it. So we know the stock moves really nice. I'm seeing a couple of big orders showing up. One guy got executed right around $1.06, and it looks like it's trying to trend up a little bit from there. So that one also Nice little cheap stock right on the watch list, GOVX. All right. What else we have going on? This stock just kind of reversed on this. This was a really, really nice runner in the pre-market for some of us here too. You could see how that stock just had a really nice move around 825 from $1.80 all the way to 220, and it came back down again. So not really a big fan of that when I see a big reversal, but sometimes, and you know this when we are in the cyber group room, this stock will continue to move. It did trade 1.2 million shares, and sometimes it will test that resistance. So for some of you here that look for stocks and and the market opens up and you want to know where resistance levels are, pre-market is very important, very, very important. Now, as we're looking down the list and see what else is down here, we're starting to run out of some nice, good volatility. We're already at 7%, 8%. We're already past. Once we pass 10%, I'm not really interested. Any stocks that are getting crushed here? Not really. New York Stock Exchange, any big gainers there? SJR up 10%. Horrible spread. Disgusting. EDU, I don't know where this came from, but this thing had a nice little pop early in the morning, and it looks like it's finally coming back a little bit. We've been trading the stock a while. I've been a fan of the stock, but then I lost faith in it a little bit. But she is up right now. Maybe she's been a little bit more of a day trade. But EDU, this stock got destroyed. You can go back and you can see the stock was already at 200. It's a pretty volatile stock. I'm just a little scared trading these Chinese stocks. And if that stock is moving, TAL should be moving also with it, which is basically the same thing. TAL. So it looks like a couple of Chinese stocks are moving pretty well on it. All right. Anything else out there? No gainers, no big, nice losers. Boyle's getting close to some big support levels. Big. You can see how volatile that thing is. 36 to about 41, right back down to 36. So if you get Boyle a good price on a swing trade, it's not terrible. All right. So not a very big list, but you saw what happened yesterday when the market opened up. We did get some good volatility. We got some good movement in certain stocks. And that's really where it comes down to it. Now, anything I'm missing, I did not call out cyber traders. Anything else out there that's missing? Anybody on YouTube, Facebook Live? Anything else? Right, John, just like we always tell everybody, if you're in the trading room, just look, listen, and learn, but don't trade. You're only there to watch. All right, so let's get ready. We'll be back here on YouTube and Facebook at 2:30. Cyber Group members, you know what to expect. We'll start commentarying when the market opens up at 9:30 up until 10:30. And then also, if you're new here to Cyber Group and you're new here to the trading room, like I told you, you're not here to trade, you're here to watch. A lot of people hear good things and terrible things. You want to see not if we make money doing it. You want to judge us not on the winners. You want to judge us on the losers to see how minimum we have and how traders think for themselves. And if you're on YouTube, you could always join us in that trading whenever you want. Good luck, everybody. Happy trading. And we'll see you back here at 2:30. Cyber Group members, like I said, we'll see you in about 15 minutes when the market opens up. Happy trading, everybody, and trade safe.